Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel of Bushy Talkies. Right now the weather is so hot and I am wearing something known as a nightie or a night maxi or a night dress, whatever you want to call it. Let me show it to you. There you go. Let's see. I don't wear this in UK, but over here I started to wear it. When I was small I used to wear it, now I stopped. But again I started it because of the heat. It's very nice. So the other day I was telling my mom I needed a night dress and my granny overheard the conversation and she removed a new one and she gave it to me to wear. Doesn't it look pretty, Abhi? Right now I'm getting ready to go to Old Goa. So without wasting any time, before Elton comes I need to get ready. So let's go.
You just go behind a little bit. Yeah, let me show them the full attire. Yeah, and this is the today's outfit. Today we are going to north, right? Old Goa plus DIVAR if possible. Yeah, so we'll catch
From the sun.
Yeah, this is the protection in the sun. What do you say again?
To protect from the sun.
Yeah.
Okay. Shades.
I hope we don't get beaten up. By the way, I like the color combination.
Thank you.
Blue and.
It was gifted to me by my friend. It's been almost 5-6 years right now for this. So we are right now in Old Goa and we parked the car. The car parking, everything is over here. So you have for 2-wheelers is around 10 rupees for the whole day and 20 rupees for the 4-wheelers. Okay, you have people who come and collect the money from you. And the area for parking is all up behind me, which is, so you have the Saint Cathedral Church here and you have the Basilica of Bom Jesus over here for £1. So if you all are coming to India, if you are coming to Goa, you will get all the shades for only £1.
£1, 100 rupees.
100 rupees if you calculate it like that. Thing is, a lot of people will come to you all with flowers and candles and stuff like that, you know. Some of them buy it with them, some of us don't. Like me, I don't like to buy. I always prefer to give the same money to somebody who is not eaten for days and stuff like that. I don't know, it's just my thing for me. But now we have reached here. Let me not move. This is the Saint Cathedral and that's Dolma and the Basilica of Bom Jesus. We're going to go over here. Okay, that's where Saint Francis Xavier's body is there. So we're going to go there first and then we're going to go to the other church. Okay, we Goans believe that Goa is safe because of Saint Francis is still here. He still protects Goa. There's nothing that has harmed Goa and nothing will harm Goa as long as he's over here with us. One more spins and everything over here in the corners, you'll find them. Make sure you do not litter around and you make sure you keep it safe and clean. People think that we are tourists, but we are not. They started talking to us in Hindi and I was like, we started speaking Konkan. They were like, "Arey, koi kar mare?" The main altar of Basilica of Bom Jesus, and over here you have Ignatius the Loyola and little Jesus and infant Jesus. So this is a stall. You'll find many fake tattoos. Over here you have like a stamp kind of a thing. They will dip it in mehndi and then will put it up on your skin. So they will stamp it. They'll stamp on your skin, which will remain for almost a week or 30 days. They have a lot of designs over here. The smaller ones are for 30 rupees, 30 pence. If you keep 100 rupees as £1, 30 pence and 50. They also have some nice statues as well over here. The last time I came here was in 2013, 2014. That was also with my auntie. So I remember this place and I was lost. So from old Goa, I knew there was this one place to eat thali, a very good Goan fish and curry rice. If you guys are here in Goa, near old Goa, always ask for Star Bar and Restaurant. This is a small area. The main road is over there, so you have to park your car across the street, and a small gully is from here. Asking the locals, I was like, I asked some of the locals, they did not know up and over there. Not locals, but the people who were sitting on the stall, I think they were non-Goan, so they did not know, but they were directing us to another restaurant, which I didn't want to go to. So I bought him here. I said that I know one place, let's go, give it a shot. If not, we'll go back. So let's go. Finally, I know, at last I found somebody on the roadside. This one guy, I saw them coming out from the same lane, and I asked them, I said, there's this one restaurant we're looking out for, and they directed us directly over here.
Yeah.
Or else we were going back. The sitting area outside, which is close by to the river over there. But since it's hot, we prefer to sit here inside at the moment, and it's really nice and beautiful. So we have 2 thalis we ordered. I already started eating. We have pickle. This is kokum water. This is vegetable. Again, lady finger. This is dry prawns kismut. Curry. Fish. Rice. I have seen many places people keeping these red bottles for the dogs. But if you guys know what is the actual reason, please let me know in the comments below or DM me. Due to the heat in Goa, you see people are roaming around with fans only over here. Let me zoom in.
Automatic fans.
Automatic fans.
Yeah,
because it's so hot.
Bike fan. What should we name it as? Bike fan?
Yes. Even passengers who don't have bikes and kindly want to go across, you can use this ferry whenever you're in Goa. बाईकचा घेतलाय बाईकचा पेमेंट आणि फक्त कार. So if you guys are coming with bikes and all, then it's free. If you don't have a vehicle, again it's free. Only if you're having a car, then it's a 10 rupee. Other than that, it's free to go.
So I've come here to a shop. It's a small shop, and there's one shop right here, like 2 minutes walking. So here I had bought some stuff here. Not much, but whatever you need to eat, you can get it from this shop. This lady here. So you know why? Sandhya. So you can come and meet Sandhya if you are here in DIVAR Island. She's also from Savarde. Yeah. First shop. This is the first shop in DIVAR Island.
Only shop.
First and the only shop. Yeah. Thank you. This lady was really helpful. So if you ever come here, it's right there near the junction. You take a right and you find this house with this lady Sandhya. So now we are going to the church. Melta, okay, see you. Yes, you know. So we have to go here and take. Yeah.
Currently we are in DIVAR Island, and the only church I believe in DIVAR Island is this one by Father Jerome Gonsalves. He was in Sri Lanka, and I think he was helping Saint Blessed Joseph Vaz during with his missionary and helping the people over there during when the Dutch was ruling. I think something like that was. But let's see. Let's go and read if there's anything over there. Yes, it is over here. We got lost on DIVAR Island.
Yeah.
We stopped by to have some tea time in DIVAR Island itself. We ordered for a bhaji because Mama had already packed chapatis. And Eldon is enjoying himself. And me, I'm having vada with chapati. A tea is on the way. Last shot.
Easy. This is directly will take us to Old Goa.
No, Babu, we have to take this, no?
Sorry.
Yeah. In Eldon, there's this one shade. The people are waiting for the ferry. The best part is, babe, the ferry is free. Only your car has been charged. It's free.
Somehow.
For bikes and all, it's free. Oh my god, it's tunneling, it's lightning. I don't know. And you know, on this one, if you can see straight, 24/7 coconut pluckers from DIVAR. Okay.
This is the
Junction is always known for heavy traffic. Look at this traffic right now. I'm just going to show a quick glimpse of it, okay? It's raining, but you guys deserve it. I think the water has been on my camera.
there's one guy who's like, changing his tires.
I think his tire got flat
Yeah,
in the middle over there.
tires.
You know, this had to happen abroad, right? They would pull the car aside.
Yeah, somehow.
Yeah, they would have taken the car aside. If you can see, there is a whole lot of people over there gathered over there, and they're all reaching out to help. They're not like mechanics and on there over there. These are people on the roadside who stopped to help the other person out.
Yeah, maybe that person.
Okay.
Is also.
Yeah, you don't know whether it's a lady or whether it's a young person who's helping out. Oh my god, accident took place over there. There, see. On the junction, please be careful, guys, when you come to Goa. There's another accident that has happened over there. This is the Kortalim junction, which is very dangerous. A lot of accidents take place over here. What is called? Heavy traffic. It's raining heavily, so I'm just going to close the window. The traffic jam. Okay, and now it goes to the same junction that we were at the moment. So guys, if you are coming to Goa, be prepared for this. This is the Kortalim junction, the famous traffic junction of Goa. If you're stuck over here, do not forget to get good snack for you all to eat, a good movie downloaded, see, the whole lot, and some drinks. Just stay hydrated.
And once the highway is sorted, right, the flyover, then I think it's going to be no traffic on Kortalim bridge.
I think it'll be fine.
Yeah, only because of there's only one bridge that takes you to the other side, that is Agasayam and Manchester, or you'll have to go from Ponta. So
Goal! Papa won?
Yeah, one plus score. I scored a goal.
This is real Papa player.
Congratulations, Papa!
Yes, thank you.
Congratulations!
Yay! Party to pati hai, party to pati hai, party. He just gave it, Papa. And my brother is like, biryani.
Yeah, biryani.
My mom, I'm going to be here for dinner, but unfortunately, dinner plan was cancelled and I came home. So right now, what I have to do is I am making Maggi for me. 2 minutes Maggie, but it does not take 2 minutes. It takes more than 2 minutes.